Players always say that you want to make the most of good form, but I really don't think about all that. That's also adding pressure on yourself. You rather enjoy the game, and you're batting well. So if you end up concentrating on what you have to do, you'll end up making use of that good form. So my only aim is to keep working hard on my batting and keep enjoying the batting and keep on looking at the situation and make the situation stronger for the team to be able to win the match. What's going on in the middle today was not one of those quick wickets. So wickets in Sri Lanka are pretty slow, so I think it was all about assessing that. And when we have players like Virubhai, Suresh and MS coming in the middle order who can smash the ball at will. My job was to capitalize and make sure we don't lose any more wickets. That's what me and Suresh discussed in the middle, because defending 250 you need to take wickets at regular intervals. So our main plan was to stop that and try to create some sort of partnership, and we knew that we have one batting power play and we cashed that in the end. So I think it's all about analyzing the situation and playing your roles perfectly. So I've realized that over a period of time, if I get set, I probably make a mindset of getting 100 and getting a big one. So the guys coming in don't have to face that situation which might let the opposition come on top. So my aim has been to take my game one level up, and God's been kind. I've been able to do that in the past few games, and my main aim is when I get set, when I get 70, 80, is to get a big 100 and make the team win, not to leave the situation in the middle. I think I've been given a post. I was pretty happily surprised with it, and I feel much more responsible when I play out in the middle. Not that my behavior or my attitude towards my teammates have changed, but it's all about thinking yourself in a more responsible way, and that's how you get mature. If you're given challenges, you got to live up to it, and that's what makes you mature as a player and as a person as well. I think it was good for Manoj as well, because he hadn't got a game for a while, and he got to play again. So he bowled well as well for us. So it was all about giving that challenge to a guy who's been sitting on the bench and seeing how he reacts to it. And I think he did a brilliant job for us with the ball. Couldn't capitalize with the bat. I think he got a good start. पीछे भी एक इंटरव्यू में बोला था कि मैं अपनी अग्रेशन कम करना नहीं चाहूँगा, लेकिन जो लाइन क्रॉस हुई है 2-3 बार उसको इम्प्रूव करना चाहूँगा, और वो दिमाग में रहता है क्योंकि वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है टीवी पे. तो अग्रेशन, जहाँ तक अग्रेशन का सवाल है, वो मेरा कभी नीचे नहीं जाएगा क्योंकि वो मेरा प्लस पॉइंट है. लेकिन ऑन फील्ड बिहेवियर और क्रॉसिंग द लाइन वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है टीवी में, और एज ए प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेटर आई थिंक बिहेव करना आना चाहिए फील्ड पे. तो वो मैं सीख रहा हूँ टाइम के साथ, और इम्प्रूव भी हो रहा है. तो आई जस्ट होप कि दोबारा लाइन क्रॉस ना हो, और आई कैन कीप ऑन डूइंग वेल फॉर द टीम.